having the propane flamer on the front of the tractor, that's the first thing that it's the first thing the plants experience, and they get burned down. The best way for us to kill our seed potatoes is to use propane flame. We make 2 passes. The first pass we wilt the plants, then we come back in a day or 2 and hopefully we've had some nice sunny, windy weather that helps to dry the plant out. Then we make a second pass and it burns the leaves off down to the stem. As we're going through the field, the flame is killing the plants without a mechanical spread. If you've got virus in potatoes, even if you're walking through the field, if the sap from one plant that's got virus touches the sap of another plant, you can spread that virus. So that's called mechanical spread. One technique some growers can use to kill their potato tops is a top beater that goes through and it flails the top, but that has a problem if you're trying to raise seed, that you can spread virus mechanically. If you've got a plant that's got virus and you're beating it with a steel knife or a rubber beater, you can actually spread virus from a sick plant to a healthy plant. So really, the propane flamer is the best way for us to achieve that kill at the right time.
Rudy. Okay. Push that forward or backward. Should do it. Okay. Perfect.
High-quality seed potatoes are killed at the juvenile stage of growth, and the reason that's done is that there's more vigor in the seed, and that vigor in the next generation, when you plant it, you're going to get a higher yield, better performance out of the seed. So high-quality seed is killed early. But the point is, it's a desiccation procedure to dry the plant out, to kill it. In our case, as seed growers, we want to arrest the growth when the tubers have reached the right size, which is a small size, and when they've got vigor inside that is going to make for higher quality seed. And if you were to have 2 100-pound bags of potatoes, one would be large potatoes and the other would be smaller, you would be able to plant more row feet out of the bag that had the smaller potatoes. So universally, the thinking is small potatoes do better for seed, and in fact in Europe they don't cut seed. My point being that in Europe they don't cut seed. They know the value of high quality seed is smaller seed tubers, and the cutting process is a potential for spreading disease. We kill our seed, we want the highest vigor that we can get. We want the highest yields in the next generation so our customers have successful crops. We use our propane flamer to achieve that. But the point is, it's a problem that potato farmers worldwide, if you're raising seed, you've somehow got to desiccate those plants. We had a friend who's retired now, but out in California would grow 18 acres of organic potatoes, and he would have his crew go out and pull the plants out and lay them on top of the hill If you can imagine doing that on 18 acres, that's a lot of work, but that would give him the kill that he needed, and by having the plants on top of the hill in June, that would keep the hill cooler and the quality of the potatoes would be higher quality. In our case, we use our propane flamer. So I like to come out and do flaming in the evenings when the wind has died down, and it's actually beneficial to have like a 2 or 3 mile an hour wind that'll help take the smoke away so that I can breathe. On a completely calm day, or if you've got a temperature inversion to where the smoke doesn't rise up, it can get a little bit eye-watering going through. But in the evening, the wind has died down and it's a good time of day. So as the days get shorter, we often end up going into the night. Once you're going, you just, every pair of rows you go across, and it's easy enough to figure out before it gets dark what rows you've got to do before you run out of fuel. Anyway, there are different techniques. We've tried different techniques here, and we've come up with this propane flaming as the best way to go. It is slower, it is more costly, but it allows us to raise the highest quality seed, and that's what matters to us.
So that's how we top kill our potatoes using the propane flamer. If you like this video, got any value out of it, if you could like and subscribe, that'd really help us out. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Thank you.